Hello everyone out there. Hopefully there's a few of you already watching this. As you can see, the pin is now up on the screen. It's up there somewhere. So people can start joining. And then once we've got quite a few players, we'll get going with this Kahoot. Alright, thank you very much. Okay then, final call for players. Anyone else want to play? We will be starting in a couple of minutes. Okay then, let's start. Alright, so we've got 10 questions on this today, all about different circuit symbols. Okay, so first you're all about what are different symbols. Well done. So that first one was a bulb. Right, let's go on to our next question. Well done to We Stan Varshan. Sorry, can't read there. Okay, on to the next question then. Yeah, I'm sorry, there seems to be a delay. That's why hopefully the questions are ticking through with there being a minute for each question, which means hopefully by the time everyone gets them, you can still see them. So yeah, that was an ammeter circle with an A in it for ammeter. Okay, on to the next question. Well done, 38 people getting that right. And we got Ollie in the lead now. Well done. And Luke Jones, highest climber. Excellent. All right, next then. It's about a 30-second delay. Okay, yeah, so looks like there's about a 30-second delay for those out there. So yeah, well done, that was a cell. Few of you got confused with battery. Remember, battery's one or more cell, or sorry, two or more cells joined together. So there we are. Okay, so on to our next question then. Well done, Ollie, still at the top. Well done, Katie, you're on the way up. Excellent. All right, next one then. Okay, yeah, well done. Those 14 people, yeah, remember that component that we saw, if I bring the picture back up, that's a voltmeter. So voltmeters have to be connected in parallel across the component that you're measuring. So well done to those 14 people. Well done, Lily. High streak of 4. Well done. On the way up. Well done, Mr. Wilson. Well done, Dar. Top the leaderboard changed quite a lot there. All right, excellent. On to our next question. Well done. So here's our fuse down in this corner. We have a wire, our cell again, and this is a variable resistor. So well done to the 36 of you who got that right. Let's have a look. Well done, Lily, still at the top. Well done, Mr. Wilson, coming into second place now. Excellent. All right, on to our 6th of 10 questions. Okay, well done to those of you who are observant. Let's move me out the way of the answer. Yeah, so hopefully you notice that in this diagram that these two cells are opposite way rounds to each other. Oops, wrong one. And so they'd be pushing the electricity round in opposite directions. So yeah, that circuit wouldn't work. Okay, right. On to the next question then. Well done to Dar. Well done to James. Excellent. Okay, so another one. What's wrong with this diagram? Well, and again, people were noticing then, again, that the ammeter was connected in parallel and not in series. So with this circuit, because ammeters have really, really, really low resistance, all of the current will flow through the ammeter. None of it will go through the bulb. Could damage the ammeter. Definitely the bulb won't light up. If you're using a power pack, they could trip instead. Okay, on to the next question. Let's just check. What's that done to the leaderboard? Dar is still at the top. James is still in second place. We've got Phil, Hotel Trivago on the rise. And there we are, we've got a nice name with a streak of 3. Well done, on we go. Question 8 of 10, so not long left now. Okay, well done. Yeah, that circuit was a bit of a trick question to see if anybody was reasoning out. And yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Cells are the right way round, ammeter in series with the bulb, voltmeter in parallel across our bulb. So yeah, that circuit would work perfectly fine. Let's see how we're getting on. So on our leaderboard, well done Dar, well done James, well done Phil, well done Hotel Trivago, well done G Bruin. Yeah, tough round for a lot of people, lost their streak on that. So we've still got, we got 2 questions left, so still everything to play for. Okay, well done. Yeah, so those 3 cells, or that battery, will give us a total voltage of 12 volts, and you just add them up. 1.5 plus 9 plus 1.5 comes to 12. Okay, last question then. So let's see on our scoreboard. So it's probably between Dar and James. Alright, up 6 places, booking.com is our highest climber. Well done. Okay, right. Our final question. Okay, so I see this one split the answers a little bit. Some people went for the 2 in series, We got these two definitely wrong, and then some went for the two in parallel. So remember, bulbs in series, so we got bulbs in series here, are going to share the voltage. They're also going to increase the resistance, so lower current's going to flow. So therefore, in this one, these bulbs will be half, well, they're probably the same brightness as this one here, and half as bright as this one. Down in this bottom corner, we got 20 volts supplying each bulb because they're in parallel. Okay, let's see who's won. Well done, Phil, you're third. Well done, James, you're second. And our winner is going to be Dar. Well done. Well done, Dar, getting all of them right. And we've got our two runners up. Okay, a lot of people have got a few comments saying do another one. Not today. We'll have a look for tomorrow. But before you go, one thing I do want to just talk about is the following. So, to help you out with these things, remember on our SharePoint there is loads of stuff. So there is the following. When you log into your Office 365, okay, if you go into Teams or SharePoint, both of these will work. But if I go into Teams, there are now for lots of things on here, the different teams. If you go GCSE Physics, which pretty much all of Year 9 and Year 10 will be members of, if you look at the files in this team, there are loads and loads and loads of files. Should be loads of files. Let's open it up in SharePoint. Loads of files that are there to help you with this. Okay, so electrical circuits all the way down, loads of different files. Slowly this can be added to and sorted out, because at the minute is a little bit of a mess. But you can see lots of different activities and things for you to do on there. Okay, right. So there will be another one. Maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, definitely Friday. Where we will be looking at circuit rules instead. Okay, thanks for watching.